Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. This is day 48 of my coding journey. So yeah, in this video, I'm just going to be working on my site a little bit. There's a few miscellaneous things that I found that needs to be done. So, I just figured I'd come up here and just work on it a little bit. Got about an hour to spare. So let's get started. I don't want to waste too much time. So the first thing that I want to do is probably work on the hover state of these buttons here. I don't know, just want to switch them up a little bit. I'm wanting to change this section up here a little bit because it just looks plain with just two buttons, and then a button hover just looks weird as well. I might switch that up. This section gotta get fixed up a little bit. The icons are just gotta add different icons on it. This section is complete. It's just I gotta add the data in, so because it's just all the same stuff except for I remember changing these two, and then these two are the same, so just gotta add some data into it and fix them up a little bit. Here is the parallax effect that I did. It's complete, but it looks a little too plain, so I might add something underneath here. I don't want to add a button because I don't think a button would be good, because then you'll have them scrolling trying to hit the button, like, so just I don't think a button should go in here. If anything, I could just make the whole entire image clickable, but yeah, I don't think I should add a button in there. Maybe just like a little small hidden or something. I don't know. Here, down here, this is gonna be deleted. I'm gonna add like an app section. It's gonna be like, download us on Apple Play Store and stuff like that. And then it's the footer, and then the home page is done. So yeah, let's just work on this. The hover states first. That's in the nav bar, and I believe it's login button. So do I have a login button hover? So I do. Yeah, these hover states don't really look right. So I might. Yeah, I don't like that. So what I might do, instead of having it change color, I might just translate it. Translate and then transform. Am I doing this right? I think it's transform translate, actually, I believe. And I kind of just wanted to go up, and then I'm gonna make it go like -2 pixels maybe. Still keep the box shadow though. Wait, am I on the right thing? Sign up button, hover. Oh yeah, there we go. So like that. I think I might keep that. Maybe just like 1 pixel. I don't want it like too much. Yeah, I think that looks better. Instead of having it like change color. And I think I might do that, the same thing to that as well. So let's take this and we'll copy it and put it on this as well. Take off that. So how come I have 2 whites? I can remove the white and hover. Let's see. Yeah, I like that better. All right, perfect. All right, so that's one thing off the list. Yeah, I like that so much better because that background color is like, same with this one. Like, look, when you hover over it, it looks like this button. You know what I'm saying? Then when you hover over this button, it looks like that button. It just look tacky. So let's fix that. So that's complete. And let's go to hero, home hero, and let's find. There we go. All right, so I probably should grab. Let me go back to navbar. I'm gonna grab this whole entire thing because I just want the same effect. Home hero. Alright, let's see how that looks. Yep, that looks good. And it's too much padded in the middle. I mean, yeah, too much padded or margin. I mean, so let's fix that. I haven't been in this section in a while, so I gotta find it. All right, so we got home hero. So gap. Let's do 2 rem. Let's do 1 rem. They can be kind of close. Let's see if that messes with anything. All right, perfect. Yeah, it looks good still. All right, yeah, that looks good. It just still looks plain to me for some reason, man. I don't know why. Sorry, my nose is running, guys. It's like it's 10 degrees last night. So I got like a little cold. Yeah, it just looks plain for some reason. All right, it's whatever. So that's good. That's good. That's good. All right, so let's go down here. So these logos, I want to switch up a little bit. Bottom hero. All right. So just gotta go to the JS for this. And I guess we'll go to Font Awesome. Grab some stuff. All right, so let's see if we can. So I believe this one's good. This one's good. And the lightning bolt is good. So we need a slogan and something for the last one. So I'll probably add like a plane or something. I don't know. Or maybe, oh, I know what I can do. I could do, actually, let's do a plane. Thousands of trips and reviews, bundle tickets and hotels, fast response times. What else can I put there? Probably put, let's see. What I got down here? Let's type in travel. Maybe some icons can give me some inspiration. Fun. I don't know what to put. Let's do relax or something. I don't know. Ooh, I know what I could put now. Happy. Put a happy face. And then we could put something like, I like this one, but watch this pro, of course. $70 for a freaking icon. Alright, let's just grab this one. Alright, and we want to go to the last one. And take this file like that. Let's see how that looks. I don't like that. Let's try. This doesn't fit the site. Let's try a plane. See, I like that better. And we can do something like flights included. I don't know. Flights included. All bookings. Flights included. save time by booking with us. That's kind of too long. Oh, I could do like all inclusive packages. I have no idea. Alright, that works. Better than none, man. Alright, so I can say that from the nav bar to here is complete. So everything here is done. So this takes us to destinations, which I still have to do. And then it takes us back to home. We have our button hover effects. And here is complete. I like that. And now this section. So I'm about to try something new. So if you guys haven't watched me work on sites at all, I use Flexbox a lot. I probably never use Grid in none of my projects. So I'm going to attempt to do Grid with this whenever I'm making it responsive. So let's see if I can accomplish that. If not, I have Flexbox to fall back on. So because that would be an easy fix. I could just do what, flex wrap or some shit, and then just have them wrap every time. So that'll be it. But I want to challenge myself a little bit. So let's go to that section. So we got car, should be the car section, home, featured, and CSS. All right, so let's start here. Actually, I want to start whenever they start touching, which is actually, let's see. Inspect. Let me make sure you guys can see this because I'm zoomed in a little bit so you guys can see everything. All right. And to, why am I zoomed in so much? Why is it like that? All right, so maybe like maybe like right here. So when I 1355. Let's see. Let's go to my media queries right quick. Ones I got saved. I always come here for media queries. Wait, where it goes? It's just Stack Overflow page. All right, so I'm gonna use this one and just switch it up a little bit. All right, so add media only screen at. So we want the min width. So we want the max width to be. We can do 1300. And I don't know what the min width is yet. So let's just style it now. So let's see. So we want the feature container. Hopefully this turns out good. So feature container, and I want to do display grid. It don't even feel right typing this because I never even typed it. Holy shit. Whoa, what just happened? Okay. All right. Damn. All right, so right there. So I want 2 Actually, should I do that or should I? I mean, if I make them smaller, it's just gonna mess the whole entire card up. So I think this would be the better way. Let's do grid template columns. 1 FR, 1 FR. Okay. Okay. It's working good so far. It's just too much white space, man. And 1300, that's a lot, ain't it? It's gonna be looking like that on. That's how it's gonna look. What's the name? Let me see something. Let's just finish it and see how it looks. So, let's do a line item center. I don't know if these work in grid. Or maybe justify content center? No. Huh. 1FR, 1FR. What we got dev tools for? See what's going on. Div. Okay. I see. So it's center in the feature container, but it's not center in its own container. So that should be an easy fix. It should be. Let's go to. Got so much shit. So I probably should add a div around this, maybe? No. Let's see if I add a div around this. So div, class name. Let's just do card wait. Oh, I'm so stupid. This is why it confuses me so much, bro. Forgot that I made two because of the data. So we're gonna give this a class. No, not that a class name. We're gonna give. So that's the features container. And probably should put this in a div as well. Let's do. Huh. Yeah, let's put this in a div and see what happens. Div, class name, card dash container. X. One in there. All right, let's see what happens. So why is it not? So that's the grid. So a feature container is a grid. Okay, let's remove this. And remove that. Oh shit. No, I removed the wrong one. I want to remove this one. Alright, so we got it. That's the feature container. So what the fuck is this div? Here. Div feature container. Could it be the car? But the car is that. I don't think I'll... Alright, let's see. You know what? Let's try something. Let's Tanner. Let's grab the card. Nah, see, it's not that. I know that for a fact. Could it be this div here? But that div is just... Can't be that. Oh, it's this div. It's this one. Yup, it's this one. Yes, it's definitely this one. Alright, let's see. Let's give this a class name of card dash feature dash container. And now this should work. Copy. Gotta stay looking at the time. Gotta go here soon, pick up my son. Alright, so that's good. And the feature container. Now we should do display flex, right? And align item center. And let's see if it moves. Oh no, justify content center. Let's hope, let's hope, let's hope. Let's go. Hey, it's lit. Alright, so we got that. Now we just need a gap. Which, this will work? No? Gap for rim? I don't think this will work. No, that shouldn't work. We would have to do the grid. What's the shorthand to make shorthand grid template? Just so I can remember, because I do need to start using grid a little bit more. I think it's like 2-1FR, right? Or some shit like that. I'm not mistaken, it's something like 2-1FR. Some shit like that, right? Let's see if that works. Okay, yeah, that don't work. I don't know. Okay, here we go. So we got okay, oh, grid template column shorthand. There we go. Let's see. Save time with CSS grid shorthand properties. So we got. Okay, here we go. Repeat to 1FR. I think this is it. Yep. Alright, so we gotta use repeat to 1FR. And then let's give grid. I guess we'll do a column gap, right? I don't know how to do this. Is it grid column? Or you can't do that. Grid row gap, I mean? Maybe row. You can't do that, why? Oh, why was it crossed out? I wonder why it was crossed out. Alright. So that's really it. That looks good. It's just, I don't know, it's just too much white space. I probably should have just made them a little smaller. But then that wouldn't have worked either because so like maybe to like right there. Let's do like 7. So like 700. Let's do it to like 700. All right. So yeah, that looks good. It's just, you know, a little bit too much white space here, but I don't know what I can do to fix that. Whoa, what the Oh, that's why I was on there. Okay. So yeah, we gotta fix it up on mobile now. So let's grab our media query from mobile. Let's do this one. It's tablet, but we could change it. Media. I believe the max was 700. And I want to do feature container. Display grid, but I just want to do 1FR. See if that works. Yep, that works good. And we can grab this. I should make it in the middle. All right, yeah, that looks good. So we got our thing in the middle there. That looks good all around. Maybe fix that up. I don't know. Nah, it looks good. It's supposed to go behind her. All right, we gotta figure out what other text I'm gonna put there. Yeah. All right. So let's figure out what I'm gonna put there. It just looks a little plain. All right, so that's complete. Just gotta add our data in to make each car, you know, different. Like as you can look, if you can see, like this car is going up a little bit, and these ones are like even. So I gotta fix that as well. Alright, so let's add parallax, JS, and so we got our H1. Let's add an H, I don't know, 3. We could add voyage and style. What else we got up here? Voyage and style with by booking with us. I don't know. Maybe I'm overdoing it a little bit. Maybe I should just keep voyage and style. But it doesn't hurt to at least see how it looks. Oh, okay. Let's voyage and style by booking with us. It's gonna be kind of hard to do. Actually, now I think about it, this took me 3 hours to figure out. This is gonna take forever for me to figure out how to keep it underneath there. But maybe it's something simple. Let's check for it to try. So let's just do a test. Let's do H3. Oh damn, let's not do that. Let's do parallel mass H3. Parallax mass H3. Let's do position fix. That should just throw it out of sync. Won't see it. And the top of, let's do 30 VH. Just so it can be underneath. A little bit underneath. So let's do 50 VH. Let's do 60, actually. Nope, that's way too much. Let's do 40. Yeah, that looks good. And all we have to do now is just left. Oh, what am I doing? Let's do left, maybe 80 pixels. That's way too. It's gonna have to be left 50% maybe. That's not right. Let's do left 40%. Or maybe 35. That's one thing about these parallax, man. It's just a lot of playing around with. That's why it took me so long to figure this shit out. And then let's do 35 view height. Maybe 37. Alright. Okay. Now let's add some. We could just add probably this. I don't want it that big though. Let's do. Oh, fuck. And maybe font size, let's do 50 pixels. Let's bring it over some more. Let's do 20. Yeah, I don't like that. I don't like it, but you can finish it and just see how it looks. Transform. Text transform. Text transform uppercase. Yeah, I don't like that. I don't like that at all. See, look. It looks okay right there, but I'm just thinking about this. Watch this. It's going like a fucking paragraph on mobile. Like, look at that. Yeah. Yeah, I'm not dealing with this. That looks good like that without the H3. So let's remove that. And let's remove this. So yeah, this section is done. I think that's good. Voyaging style goes behind. Little divider looks okay. And yeah, I think that's really it. Only things I have planned for today is just like I said yesterday I was taking a little break, but I always say that, and it's just this project is it's coming out really good, better than what I expected, and yeah, I don't know, just I think that's really it. That's good. That looks better. All of these look better, and now it's responsive. You go in, bam, and then you go in again, bam. Maybe let's come out a little bit more on that. Um, Feature, and let's do max with 720. See how that looks. Okay, that's perfect. So you go in, bam, then got all that. Yeah, that's perfect. This is coming out really good. There's one thing I wanted to show you guys right quick. So I used to I showed this in the video before, but I'm not sure how many people watched it. But I used to the reason why like I know how to like design just a little bit. I'm not a UI UX designer or anything, but I had a guy question me on I think it was uh LinkedIn. No, it wasn't LinkedIn. It was Discord, and he asked me, how I learned to like create sites, that look okayish to me. Like this isn't incredible. This is probably the average site in my opinion. It's not like those sites that I be seeing UI UX designers, they be going crazy, man. That should be looking nice. But the reason why I know a little bit about it is because I used to let's go to YouTube right quick. I used to create e-commerce sites using Shopify, and that's actually one of the reasons why I got into coding is because I used to create sites with Shopify, pre-made sites. And with Shopify, it's like drag and drop. It's no code, it's nothing. And I had a friend who got into software engineering, and he used to basically I used to create my sites, which are these. I used to own built already, and it used to be like I used to sell like pre-made sites. Like let's check this one out. I'm gonna cut the volume down, but this was like one of the sites that I created. All the graphics and stuff is made with Photoshop. I made it myself. The logo, everything. And yeah, so I got a logo and all that stuff. But this is like a drag and drop type of site. It doesn't involve coding. It just involves me creating Photoshop images and just fixing it up with some colors and stuff like that. So the whole reason why I'm saying this is because I had a friend who got into software engineering, and he was doing the same thing I was doing, and I noticed his sites was looking so much better. Like he was like basically putting stuff in certain places that wasn't possible, with just drag and drop. Like he'll have, I don't know, like a slider on the side of his page, and with drag and drop, you only limit it to what they have for you. So I was like, how the hell are you doing that? Like that looks so good. And yeah, just like that's one of the reasons why I really got into it. So I was basically just trying to get into it to expand, my business on that. I wasn't the reason why I stopped is because I wasn't selling those sites anyway. So, but yeah, I was thought maybe if I learn code, I can make better looking sites. And yeah, here's another one. This is Wavero. This is Wavero. This is where I got the name from for that other site, my little practice site that I was making. But yeah, this is like another little site that I made. But yeah, it's just all like drag and drop sites. It's nothing, no code or nothing. But yeah, that's one reason why, you know, I have a little bit of design aspect. Like I know how to just make, I just know how to make stuff look decent. I don't know how to create stuff, you know, the UX, UI, UX designers know how to create stuff like that. But stuff that just looks decent, you know, like this is just decent. It's average. It's nothing too spectacular. But yeah, that is day 48. Thank you guys for tuning in. See you guys tomorrow. I'm not sure what I got planned for tomorrow. Probably work on some new camp assignments or some shit. I don't know. But peace out and see you guys tomorrow.